Okay, so for the average atomic mass lab, what you need to do is open up the lab. You're going to open the Skittles isotope lab and you are going to add it to Notability. Looks like this. You can read through the background here. Big idea is here: wash your hands, take your cup of candy. If you have one, count how many Skittles of each color you have, record in row 2, and then follow directions. So here's the table, and here's the biggest thing I want you to do. If you have your own bag of Skittles at home, or if you want to go get one and then do it that way, you can. So we're pretending that the mass of a Skittle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That changes per color. Obviously, that's not the case. What you're going to do is you're going to count how many reds you have, how many greens, how many yellows, how many oranges, how many purples, and then you're going to add them over here. Notice that every row has a number and every column has a letter. So as an example, if it says add 2A, that's row 2, column A, right there here. There's 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E, and 2F. Okay, so when you add them all together, you're going to get the total for 2F. This column, you're going to take your number from 2A, so say it was 6 Skittles and you had a total of 40, it would be 6 divided by 40. And then you get a decimal, like 0.15 or something. 2B divided by 2F goes in this one, 2C divided by 2F, 2D divided by 2F, 2E divided by 2F goes right there. And you're going to add all those decimals up to get this box right here. Then what you're going to do, this should say, there's a mistake here, so I'll change it. This should be add 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. And then here it should say 4. So I'm going to take 3A times the mass of the Skittle, 1, 3B times the mass of the Skittle, 2, 3C, this number times 3, 3D times 4, and 3E times 5. And then you add them all together, and that's going to be your average atomic mass. Then you have a couple post-lab questions to ask. So I have a couple number things that I got to edit here, but the idea is the same. Now, if you don't have a bag of Skittles at home, what you can do is you can just download and use this photo of Skittles and count from here. So there's 4 yellows, 5 purples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 greens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oranges, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 reds. Okay, so that's going to go in group 2, and then you're going to calculate. Let me know if you have questions.